welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiana. I'm going to talk about some new changes that are going to take place on my channel. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. Don't forget to like this video when it's over, and let's jump right into the video. So, changes doesn't mean that something is going to go bad or it may even go well, like we just don't know. But I was feeling in the past couple of days that I want to do more with my YouTube channel. Like, I have a good start. I have over 350 subscribers. I just want to thank everyone that subscribed to my channel, because you don't have to. So obviously you do like something that I do post on my channel, but I want to do something different because, like, yes, I am so much more than my natural hair, and I know like a lot of people have been saying that lately, but I really feel as though like I am just way more than natural hair. With that being said, I am leaning more towards lifestyle, still doing natural hair, and grad school. Yes, grad school. It's just a lot that I have learned in 2020, and I have a lot of other priorities. So maintaining good mental health, advocating to end white supremacy, becoming a social worker in spring of 2023, having my natural hair flourish. Like, those are the things that are just most important to me. So I just want to share that with everyone, and you come along on my journey. I have vlogged some lifestyle things like traveling, my Iceland vlog, my Italy vlog. I'm now, after almost a year, February make a year, I'm editing my Vegas vlog. So it's a lot of lifestyle things that you will see. I do have a video up on my channel, me going to the plant nursery because I am obsessed with plants. You can see my little situation over there. So I do want to share those things with you, and also natural hair. As you can see, my hair is in a protective style. Like, that's how my hair flourishes the most. I did these by myself. I did not record a tutorial. I will be doing this again, like absolutely hands down. I will be doing this again really soon, but I just want to show you everything about Kiana. So with that being said, I obviously have to change my name from Kinks and Curves, because it's so much more than just kinks and curves. So I decided if you want to know more about me, it's Live Life Key, because that is what I am doing. I am living my life of Kiana. So that is where we are moving forward to. We are switching the name. As you can see, it's already changed. I have a whole new intro that I have done, and I'm just really excited about this. So some things that you will be looking forward to on my channel, I wrote it down in my trusty iPad. Oh, isn't it so cute? Like, the little cover is so cute. I am still doing natural hair. Do not think that I'm not. I have like 5 videos on different memory cards of me doing hair. I have one that's already edited and uploaded. I just have to make it public and make a thumbnail. I don't know what's taking me so long to do that. I do have other natural hair videos that I have done this year, and I do have to edit it and put it out. So we're still doing natural hair, and my channel is still young. I have over 350 followers, which I thank every single one of you for subscribing to my channel. But this gives me more of an opportunity to branch out, meet new people, and share new content. My goal is to at least hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. I know I'm going to hit it, but I need all your support. Just keep liking my videos, sharing them, and I just want to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. Hopefully with these new content that I'm putting out with grad school, loans, social work, white supremacy, Black Lives Matter, social justices, plants, just everything that I'm going through and want to share with you, that will gain more traffic to my channel. I am really excited to do that. My journey through grad school, you have known, well, I don't think all you have known, but I am finally in grad school. It is like about a 6-year process for me to get into grad school. I am a huge procrastinator when it came to going back to school, but with so much support from my friends, my co-workers, my family, I decided to go back to grad school and become a social worker. All my jobs entailed of me doing advocacy for parents and children and changing policies. So it was only right for me to be licensed to make these changes and get compensated with the services that I am providing to these families. So I am in my master's program, and it is It's not a fast track program. I'm doing part-time right now because I do work full-time at a charter school. So I'm trying to do the work-life balance type thing. But my anticipated graduation year is May 2023. May 2023. So that is 2.5 years from now. I'll be walking across that stage with my master's degree, and I will be moving. Like my goal is to move to the DMV area. I am obsessed with that, so I will take you along on my journey of grad school, moving, starting my new life. So, but again, my channel is still young, so you get to actually see everything that I am going to go through, and more followers will follow my journey, because I know I'm not the only one who is now starting a master's in their early 30s. So it's going to be great, and I'm super excited about that. I am also a plant mom. I did mention that I have like seven plants, and I do have a video of me going to the plant shop, picking out plants. I introduce my plants to you all. I do have a vlog that I'm doing of like updates of my plants every week, so you get to see like the changes. I don't know much about them, but YouTube is where I learned a lot of the things about my plants. So you get to see my journey of my plants, and hopefully I don't kill any more plants. Fingers crossed I don't kill any more plants, but you get to see the journey of my plants. And I will share any tips with you, any tips that I found about plants. I will share it to you, because I know being a new plant mom, it's trial and error, so I will share that with you. Next, we all know we are in a pandemic, so I want to document everything from the life after the pandemic, especially with grad school, going back to work, how the children are responding in my school, because I feel as though our children is taking a toll on our kids for their mental health, their physical health. So I do want to document that journey as well. New policies are being set after COVID. I definitely want to document that for you, just something I can also look back and show my children that, look, your mom went through some crazy stuff. So I do want to have a documentation, because I already know it's going to be a huge journey for us to get back to some type of normalcy. Like, we would never go back to normal, but I do want to document that and show everyone life after the pandemic. So especially like, again, with grad school, my kids, I'm going back to school. I miss all my kids so much, all 475 of them. I was speaking with my parent today. She goes, my child gained so much weight, he's just so unmotivated, he doesn't want to get up. So like, that is going to take a toll. So I do want to get some helpful tips, and so I want to document that as well. And also, hopefully we go back to traveling, so definitely gonna have more travel vlogs. I definitely want to plan on going to the inauguration next month. If they have the inauguration live, I am going. I already told my manager. She said it's perfectly fine, so because I am still working from home, so I can definitely be at my best friend's house and work from home and then go to inauguration. So that is the plan. More travel vlogs, and what traveling's gonna be like after COVID, you know, we just we'll see. And also, I did mention I am in my early 30s, so being 30 is, people think, oh my god, I'm turning 30, I'm gonna be so old. Like, you're really not. It's like you're literally at the prime of your life. You are living the best life when you're in your 30s, because in your 20s it's so many lessons, like lessons. A lot of disappointments, a lot of aggravation, a lot of confusion, a lot of depression, a lot of anxiety, a lot of, I don't know, like what I'm doing with my life. Like, that is a lot in your 20s. Some people are blessed to have that mindset already in their 20s, but I know for me, I thought I had it all together, but reality check says you do not have it all together at all. I want to expand my horizons and share my knowledge of what I learned in my 20s versus what I'm learning now in my 30s, and what changes I have implemented on my life, because I feel so fulfilled, especially when it comes to dating and friendships and family. Sharing my tips. So definitely want to talk about living in your 30s and what lessons I have learned in my 20s, because a lot of my friends is either turning 30 next year or is already 30. I have some friends that are still in their late 20s, but I know they're gonna have that phase where they are having anxiety about being 30. I had that breakdown, like, oh my god, I'm turning old, the world's gonna end, I have no kids. Like, I've been there. Everyone has a time frame of where they need to be in life, so I want to share my knowledge about that. I have my plan. I'm in grad school. I'm moving in 2023. Like, that is the plan, and I just want to share that with you guys. So yes, that is the channel update. It is Live Life Key. That is my Instagram name. That has been my Instagram name for over 3 years now. I don't know why I just now decided to change everything around to it, which makes sense, but again, everything happens for a reason. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you will enjoy this journey with me. Subscribe to my channel, share my channel, catch me on Instagram at livelife.key. Information will be down below in the description box, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye guys.